This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 versus the Oppo Find X. Now both phones have the Snapdragon 845. Both phones have a whopping 8 gigs of RAM. And both phones have a very nice 6.4-inch display. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the Find X. And we are in! Both of these displays look really good. I gotta hand it to the Oppo Find X. With this ridiculous screen to body ratio, this looks really good right now. There's nothing in the background on both, so let's get started by tapping the phone app. Find X, messages. Find X again, camera. Ooh, very close, but then again, Find X does have the motorized cam. Clock on both phones. About the same. Start the stopwatch and leave that in the background. Samsung Internet and Chrome, let's go. Click on Amazon. Scroll through this, give you an idea of the browsing experience. Go to the full site of Amazon, let's go. Pinch to zoom. Nice and butter on both, so you can see, and leave it on that page. Calculator on both. Nice and fast. The Play Store. Maybe the Note 9 on that one. Let's click on this one and leave it on that page. eBay on both phones. Very close, maybe the Find X. Click on this Apple Watch. Leave it on that page. Twitter, Note 9, baseball app, ooh, very close, maybe the Note 9, not sure, slow down the video for me. Super Mario Run. Both are loading right now, and give this to the Find X. Tap to begin. Note 9 a little bit faster, actually running the game. And leave this in the background. Subway Surf. Both are loading right now, and ooh, very close. Maybe the Find X on that one. Tap to play. Close it out. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Pirate Cove. Looks like the Find X is ahead by a little bit. We'll confirm that right now. And give this to the Find X. Tap to play and close it out. Asphalt 9. Which phone will take this game? Ooh, very close, I don't know. Tap the play button and leave it in the background. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, both are neck and neck. Which one's gonna take this game? And Find X. And give this to the Find X. CSR Racing 2. Which one will take this game? Now I'm gonna call this one a draw. Look at that, dead even. Instagram on both, Thai, and Snapchat. Find X on that one. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. Now both phones have 8 gigs of RAM. And on the Oppo Find X, you can actually see how much is available. Right now it says 2.39 gigabytes available out of 8. So there's still room to spare. There shouldn't be any reloads, but let's find out right now. Instagram, still in RAM. CSR Racing 2, paused and ready to resume on both. Grand Theft Auto, ready to resume. Asphalt 9, right where I left it off. Temple Run 2, paused and ready to resume on both. Subway Surf, paused and ready to resume also. Super Mario Run, ready to play. Same place. Twitter, still in RAM. eBay, same place, both had to reload the page though. Play Store, same place. Calculator, still in RAM. Browsers, same exact place, no reloads. Clock, same place. Camera, you can see the motorized function on the Oppo Find X. Messages, same place. And the phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this test. Are you a Samsung Knight rocking this fresh and brand new, fully spec'd out Galaxy Note 9 with 512 gigabytes of storage and a whopping 8 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon 845, arguably the best screen on the market, Super AMOLED, note functionality, etc. Or do you have an Oppo Find X? It's probably the most futuristic phone out right now with its insane screen to body ratio. I mean, look at this phone right now, like it's from the future. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.